The AAOS annual meeting in 2025 will be in San Diego, March 10th to the 14th. The Academy's annual meeting is really the pinnacle of international education.
I think the sheer size and scope of this event is what truly sets it apart.
The Academy remains the premier place to see all of orthopedics all in one spot, and the best place to catch up with old friends, especially those that aren't in your specialty.
This meeting and this meeting alone gives us a chance to see all the different methods that are used to treat the same kinds of problems that I'm treating at home. There is no question that the annual meeting represents an opportunity to collaborate with other people, with industry, with startups that we don't get anywhere else.
There's very few meetings where you get a chance to see the orthopedic community together. Yes, it's easier to maybe do things remote, but there's something to be said about actually being in person. To not only see people that you haven't seen in a long time, but also to get a chance to get the education, to get the career development. Those are the kind of connections you really can't get unless you're in person.
The level of knowledge that is being shared here is outstanding.
The annual meeting committee looks at all of the data around the meeting, what sessions people are attending, and every single year they make innovations.
We are crafting the meeting that helps you take care of your patients better. Talking about innovation, what we can do to help our patients get better, how to get them back more efficient, safer, and faster.
Included with your registration, you have all the symposia, orthodome, video theaters, the posters, the poster tours. There are tons of opportunities.
Every single thing you could possibly want related to orthopedics is here.
It's an opportunity to learn, and it's a missed opportunity if you're not here.
San Diego is a beautiful city. It's amazing. The weather's going to be awesome in March.
It's a must. If you're an orthopedist, you have to come to this meeting.
When I think about the annual meeting, every single participant is here on behalf of their patients. This isn't, I'm doing this for me. Our annual meeting is a bunch of physicians who really care, who are coming to be educated and do a better job for their patients, and that's really what everything we do is about.
San Diego 2025, it's the experience.